Hi, thanks for joining us today. My name is Bill Martin with Sportsland. We're going to take a look at the Stealth Travel Trailer 2715 model today. With the explosion in the toy hauler industry the last 10 years, they keep getting bigger, wider, longer, etc. And we also, now the last 3 years, the UTV market, it seems like 90% of people that come in have at least got a two-seater, if not a four-seater. So the market's going 64 inches wide to 10.2 to 12'4" length. This is where the 2715 really takes a big play in it. The second number on most of my toy haulers are telling me what the cargo space is. So I've got 15 feet at 7,800 pounds. I've still got today's half-ton towable mixed in it. Obviously a great three-quarter, but it is half-ton towable. The fiberglass frame is skin is also telling me I have an aluminum frame coach. So I've got a higher quality build here. The aluminum framing is welded. It also means that I've got rigidity, durability, and long-lasting life. If you're going to make an investment in a toy hauler for your family's future and fun, then this is the way to go. The Stealth toy hauler I also bring in with the Arctic package. We start at the very bottom. This is fully enclosed, insulated, heated. I've actually got R38 radiant insulation in the floor and the bottom. I've got heavy-duty Dexter axles with springs. I can raise this coach another 4.5, 5 inches if we put the springs on top. Right now I've really got good ground clearance, but I can actually increase it. My back jacks are power. You just push a button, they're automatic down. My front jacks are power. I also have a power tongue jack, so easy on, easy off at camp, so easy setup. The awning on the Stealth comes out a full 8 feet in length. I also have full LED lights outside and also full LED lights inside on all the coaches. As we go around to the back, my ramp door on the Stealth, I can actually hold 3,500 pounds on this ramp. Even though we've got the couches down, I have 2 beds in the back, chairs, except we'll see on the inside. I have an add-a-wall. I can drop that screen and let the breezes come in, but 3,500 pounds here, 15 feet of cargo space. I can bring virtually anything in there, whether it be a four-seater or if you got a couple quads, a couple dirt bikes, I've got the room to fit your toys. All the Stealths too, your ladders are actually built onto the side of the unit. Used to be a point in time where your awnings were stored inside your storage compartment, falling over, tripping over them. This is built right into the side of the unit. I climb up on the full walk-on roof. The entire roof is full walk-on. A lot of people with toy haulers are going to dirt bike races, motorcycles, ATV racing, etc., and they sometimes get up on the roof and they can look at things. But keep it up when you're not using it, that way people aren't climbing up on your unit. Every Stealth from the 19-foot up to the 2916 travel trailer all have 40-gallon fuel tanks. I got plenty of fuel that I can take. It feeds my generator, also feeds my ATVs. That will keep me out there for a week or two. My Stealths all have 106 gallons of fresh water. The 2715s we've actually brought in with an extra 60-gallon tank. I actually have 160 gallons of fresh water. That's a nice thing about a toy hauler. You've got a generator, you've got a fuel station, you've got extra water, you've got great sleeping, you've got great insulation. You're totally self-sufficient. You can go where you want to go, off the beaten path, whenever, wherever. The Stealth 2715, your normal hot water tank is a 6. This fiberglass unit is their higher end. It does come with a 10-gallon hot water tank, so showers are a breeze. It's a quick recovery, 18.6 gallons per hour. You can actually, several people can shower during the day. Water fill, outdoor shower to keep everybody clean outside. Also, all the Stealths have what's called black water flush. A lot of times when you're breaking camp and you stop at a dump, you have to run a hose in through the window or in through the door, have your wife turn on the pump and run things out. This is black water flush, high pressure spray, flushes out the tank, easy cleanup, easy go home. When we take a look at the Stealth, it does have built-in Onan. It's the best one made in the industry. There is nobody that compares with an Onan. It's a 5500 in this one, which means it's telling me it's got 50 amp service. Your normal 2715 will have a 4,000 watt. This has got one in case you want to put a second air up in the unit. So it's the largest gen. This is the same thing that put in 40-foot fifth wheels. It's a great, powerful gen. It'll give you power wherever you want to go. All the Stealths you're going to have for the western U.S., you're going to have the oversized 7-gallon, 30-pound tanks. We'll also have 2 deep cycle batteries on here. We do not need to go to 6-volt batteries or oversized batteries. We do have a 200-watt solar panel in addition to everything else the Stealth has already up on the roof. I've always got battery power. At 3 o'clock in the morning, my furnace is going to work, or at 5 a.m. when I need electricity, boom, the generator is going to fire up. I've got power no matter what. I've also got a battery disconnect built into every Stealth, so when we go home, we back away, pull away from the unit, put it away for a week or so, I can boom, turn that off, everything shuts down, there's no battery drain. On the other hand, that drain, probably which is running off an LPG detector or maybe some lights on the clock, is not going to be enough to drain your solar panel. That's one thing about a solar, you've always got power. Once again, everything's LED lights, easy setup. I do have in the Stealth, all the way over the gin, I've got massive storage here. That's camp chefs, Dutch ovens, helmets for riding. All your gear can go up here rather than back in your living area. That's also LED lights inside there. We're going to go ahead in, we're going to take a little hike inside. As we walk into the 2715, Mom and Dad will certainly appreciate the corner-shaped kitchen. More counter space than normal. I've also got extremely deep farmhouse type sinks. We can actually wash dishes in there, food prep, etc. is made a breeze having this extra space. The hard thing about some of the toy haulers in the past is there's no counter space, no counter or cabinets. It's just when you walked into a toy hauler just a few years ago, you knew what it was. It was a toy hauler. These look like residential type travel trailers. I also, in all my Stealths, I'm getting the full 8 cubic foot fridge. Your normal size fridge is a 6. This is an oversized 8. Also, every Stealth has the availability to put a patio room on the back, on the deck. We do not bring them in with the patio room, but we do have the door specially ordered, reinforced, and also with the ramp patio cable. So if you ever want to turn that into a patio room, the cable already comes with the unit. You're really just getting the parts for it. Once again, from the fridge all the way to the back, this is the 2715. I have 15 feet of cargo space. When the couch is up, I've got 84 inches, my normal quad 64. If I do need to bring something up into this area, I've got 62 inches between the cabinet and the wheel well. And then these wheel wells now are also made, you see the angle on them, they're actually made to be driven up on. So the chairs come up, move the chairs up, I can bring more stuff in here. TV's in the right place, I can actually watch TV. Everybody back here, mom, dad at their table, the kids in the couch, kids up in the bed. We've all got room to see stuff. Speakers inside, all ducted air. Once again, LED lights inside, and 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 people back here, 2 up front. We're going to take a look at mom and dad's room. One thing about mom and dad's room is all the Stealths do have a 60 by 80 residential size queen. Your normal RV is a 60 by 74. I do have full length closets on both sides for hanging. I do have a nice shelf up there for putting extra stuff, whether it be clocks, whatnot. Over here on this side of the coach, I do have direct access right through my pasture, so I can put a laundry basket down there, boom, 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 down there, forget it till we go home. Over on that side of the coach, on that side of the bed, in case you need a CPAP machine or some necessary, you have a USB charging port and also a 12-volt plug that'll run what you need. Once again, this unit does have the second air on it too, so you can go anywhere. Humidity, high temperature, this coach will stay incredibly comfortable. If you want to add a second TV, it's already wired for it, and there will be a mounting solid piece of wood back here to mount it. This is your solar panel regulator, so you can tell how it's charging, what your amps, everything is on your solar. As we go into the bathroom here, this is called a Jack and Jill bath. And what that means is that you can use it with the door closed so the people in the back aren't sharing it, or you close your door off and people from the back can come potty. But you've got a full-size, oversized corner shower, great room in here, and then behind the door you've got your toilet and counter. Your Stealth is designed for a family, it's designed for large UTVs, it's designed for motorcycles, toys, it's designed for your comfort. Please come down and take a look at the full line of Stealths. Thanks for joining us.
Let Sportsland guide you to the dream.